Old fat hose. Today we're talking about old hose. Need to get new hose. Hello and welcome to the channel. I am Chris, this is Dirty Trucker 08, and today we're talking about hose. More specifically, power steering hose. Now what we've got, working on the 2005 Beetle today, the low pressure side has been, as you can kind of tell, it's swollen, it's fat, it's leaking, it's nasty. You got the new stuff all slim and trim and ready to go. I'm not sure why the old hose gets all swelled up like that. This thing's a 2005. To my knowledge, that would be an original hose. Been on there a while. So we're gonna get the new one shoved up on there and hopefully not have any more leaking issues. Let's get under here. Now, as you can see, the line goes from here to right here. Just kind of makes a slight S curve. I've been having leaking issues all over the driveway. Finally said to heck with it whenever the pump started making noise, which tells me I'm low enough. I'm just gonna go ahead and fix it. But the old line, you can see here, just side by side, how much swell that line has actually taken over the years compared to the new stuff. Sometimes getting the new hose to slide up over those fittings can be a little bit hard. If you've still got, like you can see that still dripping just a little bit right there, you can take some of that fluid and just make sure that the inside of that hose, whenever you go to put it on, has got just a little bit on there, and that'll help it slide on a little bit better instead of trying to put a dry hose on. Time to start shoving. As you can see right here, we've got the new hose shoved on to the back fitting. It's actually leaking just a little bit because it's coming all the way through it and starting to drip down. We need to get it turned and put on here, but this hose is obviously a little bit too long. I just bought a foot of it, so I'm going to need to cut off a few inches and then turn that and slide it on, make sure we've got the fittings just right, and then clamp her down. And that just goes to show, sometimes even new hose take a little bit of finagling before they fit just right. And there we go, new hose is all installed. Time to put some fluid in and make sure it's not leaking. Don't forget to take those old hose and put them in the garbage where they belong. Fired it up and ran it, turned the wheels side to side while it's still up in the air. I forgot to record it, so yeah. But no leaks. And that's how you get rid of some old hose for some new hose. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, maybe even learned something. I will see you next time. Thanks for hanging out.